Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can open an app in pop-up view on this Nubia. Firstly, select one of your apps and open it, in my case Settings. Then you need to access Tab menu and tap on Small Window shortcut. Mine is over here, so after I click on it, as you can see, my app turned in the Z window. If you wish to move it around, you can drag it wherever you wish to. If you wish to use it only the other app, just tap on the other one and use it however you wish to. Now, in order to access this one, you need to click on it. If you wish to make it small again, just tap on the shortcut one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!